Here we have that beautiful black dial, and it looks super nice with the silver subdials. Very beautiful. Hello everyone, my name is Peter. I'm be giving you a tour video of this Rolex Daytona. This is a reference number of 126509. This one's the Baby Le Mans. So this one has a black dial with silver subdials and white gold. So let's go ahead and check it out. Once you open it up, we have factory styrofoam on top. Opening this up, we have the watch itself. Here we have that beautiful black dial, and it looks super nice with the silver subdials. And it has this beautiful brushed Oyster bracelet with high polish. Very, very nice. Very beautiful. Now let's go over the condition of this watch. Here we have the bottom angle. Here we have the bottom left angle. Here we have the case side. This watch is very, very beautiful. I love this watch because not only does it look really nice and looking like very sleek on the wrist, you just look very classy. And a lot of people know this watch because of the popularity of like Baby Le Mans. Here we have that beautiful black dial, and I love this black dial because it's like very sleek, with also pairing with that beautiful silver subdials, pairing well with the whole white gold look. Here we have the bottom right. Beautiful. Now let's go ahead and show you the condition of the clasp. As you can see, it's in beautiful condition. Opening this up, we do have the open clasp. And here just to show you the case back. Very nice. So there's a little dust particle there. Go ahead and show you the functions now. So with this watch, it does have the regular screw down crown. Once you unscrew it, you can go ahead and or once it pops out, you can go ahead and manually wind the watch here. What this does, it just gives you the power reserve, and it's very nice manually wind it up if you haven't used the watch in a while. Another function this watch has, or once you pop it out from the screw down crown, you can go ahead and change the hands. So that way you can set your time in a very nice way. And then here we have this top pusher. Once you press down on this top pusher, it starts the chronograph. And then once you press it again, it stops it. And if you're asking how do you reset it, you can press this bottom pusher and it resets the chronograph to the 12th position. Very nice. Another function this watch has, it does have the Lume function. So turning off the light, we do have the beautiful Lume here. And it's all teal, which I love. Very nice watch. Alright, showing you the set contents of this box. We do have warranty card and the manual of the Cosmograph Daytona. And here's the warranty booklet. Here we have the Rolex logo and the Rolex white hang tag with the matching serial and reference. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.